In this video, we are going to see how we can create this interesting video where you are painting your own miniature. Yes, you heard it right. You can paint your own miniature and convert it into a video by just using a simple picture like this one. So this is the simple picture. I first converted this into a still photo like this, and then I asked further to convert it into a moving video, and it looks like he is painting his own miniature. So how we can do that? It's very simple to do. First of all, we will go to gemini.google.com, or otherwise, if you have limited credits, like I got this message right here, continue with Google AI Plus, you've reached your limit on 2.5 Pro. So let's use LM Arena. That is another website that integrates Nano Banana. What we will do is just simply upload your image and then just copy and paste this prompt. I'll link this prompt in the description or resources section of this video. So you can just copy that and paste it with a picture. What you need to do is just upload the image like this and just paste this prompt at the bottom and click generate. And as we can see, we have got some result that is different from the earlier one. So if you want to continue with the earlier one, that's okay. But if you want the face to perfectly match, you might need a couple of tries. And you can see this is the original picture. And in the second try, it has perfectly designed the face. The first one, it changed the face a bit, but this one looks nice. Let's download this. And after that, we will search for this website, which is Pixverse. Just go in here and you can quickly sign in or sign up for this. It's very simple. You can just even directly click on login, and you can click on sign in with Google. Choose the ID that you want to link. And after that, you can try working on it. For the first time, you will get 10 basic credits and 20 prompts options. So let's click on this plus sign, upload this picture that we have just created, and let's write a simple prompt here. I want to convert the picture to a video as if man is painting his miniature. You can write anything of your own that is simple, and let's click on create. But I have already used credits, so let's click on log out. Let me just use another ID and you will get daily credits here. So let's convert this. And now let's check this out. And as you can see that, guys, this is amazing. Let's click on download to see it in a full view, or you can upscale it from here as well, but obviously it will use more credits. Let's try to do that. First of all, let's just download this. Let's click on upscale. It will cost you 30 credits to upscale this video. Let's use that and let's download. Now this one is an HD version. Let me just download this. And now let's look at this pictures one by one. This is the original picture, and we have given the command to create a miniature of this. So as you can see, it kept the facial features intact and it has created a miniature of it. But the miniature is not that perfect. You can obviously give some more commands in order to get perfect results or refine this result. What we want to get finally is a video of it. So let's play the video and look at these results, guys. So this is how you can create an amazing painting video of miniature effect with Nano Banana. Just try this by yourself, and I will see you in the next one.